Good morning students, welcome to the computer class. Open your Adobe Photoshop books. Students, in the last class we people have discussed smudge tool, sharpen tool, dodge and burn tool. And in the class of today we will cover page number 30 till 31 and we will discuss sponge tool, working with type tool to enter paragraph type. So students, open your books at the page number 30. Our first topic is sponge tool. Sponge tool changes the color saturation of the area. To know more about this tool, we will do its practical. We will open Adobe Photoshop. Click on File menu, Place option. I'll select this image. Click on Place button. Hold and drag the mouse to adjust the height and width. Then right click, Edit Content. Click on OK. Students, here is a sponge tool. I click on the sponge tool, then we are having various options in the option bar like the brush size, hardness. In the mode we are having saturate, flow, whatever is our requirement we can select the various options. Now we will come to the image and we will hold and drag the mouse like the spongy effect, like we are wiping with the sponge. That effect is given with the help of this sponge tool. You can see I am just holding and dragging the mouse after selecting the sponge tool. This way, hold and drag the mouse. I'll show you my old image as well as the new edited image after giving this effect. See the difference. This is the original image and this image I have given the sponge effect. You can see the difference. Clear students? Now we will discuss its steps. Steps to use sponge tool. Click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Place an image. Select the required options from the option bar. And at the last, hold and drag the mouse on the part of the image. In this way we can use sponge tool. Our next topic is working with type. For that we are having type tool. Type tool is used to type the text. Means whenever we want to type the text in Adobe Photoshop we are using type tool. There are three ways to create type. First is point type. What is point type? It is a horizontal or vertical line of text that begins where you click in the image. Next we are having paragraph type. It uses boundaries to control the flow or characters either horizontally or vertically along a path. The text will be appeared along the shape when you type the matter. Clear students? Now let us discuss the practical to use the type tool. We will open Adobe Photoshop. Here is the type tool. We are having different options like horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, horizontal type mask tool, vertical type mask tool. Whatever is our requirement we can select. I am going to select horizontal type tool. Now we are having different options in the option bar like the style of the text, bold, italic, regular, size of the text. As per our requirement we can select the required options. Now I'll select the color. I have taken this color. I'll click over the work area and I can type my text. I'll type Holy Heart Presidency School. In this way we can type our text. Now I'll use the vertical type tool for you. I'll click on the vertical type. Now my text will come vertically. I'll click over there. I'll type HHPS, means Holy Heart Presidency School. In this way we can type the text horizontally or vertically as per our requirement. Clear, students? Now we will discuss the steps to create type. Click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Open a new file. Select the type tool. Select the required options. Click in the work area and type the text. Clear, students? Next topic we are having enter type paragraph. Means whenever we want to type a paragraph, then also we are using the type tool. We can enter multiple paragraphs and select the paragraph justifications options. We can adjust the bounding box. After creating the type layer, we can rotate, scale or skew type the bounding box. We will discuss its practical. I will open Adobe Photoshop. We will take this one. I'll click on the file, new. We can adjust the height and width of my working area as per our requirement. And click on OK. Now here we are having type tool. We have to click on the horizontal type or vertical type. After that, to create a bounding box, we will press the Alt key and we will make our bounding box, means to enter the paragraph. Now the paragraph text size dialog box will come. Here we can set the height and width. After that we will click on OK. Then we can type a paragraph over there. I'll copy some text and paste it over there. Let's suppose I'll select this text. I'll copy it and I will paste over there. See, in this way we can write a paragraph. And I press the enter and I'll press the Ctrl V. Here students, note that we are having the overflow sign. This overflow sign shows that the whatever the height and width we have set in the paragraph size box, that was less as compared to the text we are typing. Now I'll hold and drag to resize it. Now this overflow icon is not there. When I'll paste more text, then again this overflow sign is there. It shows that my text is more as compared to the height and width I have set. Clear, students? Now let us discuss the steps. Steps to enter type paragraph. Click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Select the required type tool. Hold and drag the mouse while pressing Alt key. Set the height and width of the paragraph. Click on OK button. Select the required options from the option bar and at the last type your paragraph. Clear, students? Students, in the class of today we people have discussed sponge tool, working with type tool to enter paragraph type. Do the practice of these tools with the help of school links. Thank you so much.